Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix an unexpected error as secured redeeming Roblox gift card. So if you bought the Roblox gift card and it's not expired and it's valid and you're getting this error here, what you need to do here first is to just look on Roblox status.roblox.com, and then you need to look if the servers are fully operational. And if it's not, sometimes servers are down and you cannot redeem your gift card here. So if the servers are working and your gift card is valid and paid, what you need to do here next is to just go to Google and just write Roblox support, and then log into your account, press on the support, and then put your username, your first name, email, then you need to select the device here, then a type of help category, select gift card, and then here you need to select redeem, and then you just need to write something along these lines. Hey, I'm getting an unexpected error when redeeming gift card, could you look into this? Thanks. And they will contact you as soon as possible, and it should fix your problem if your gift card is valid and paid. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.